Guys, today we're gonna install touch panel on this rack 18U, and we will show you how to install this Cat 6 to this patch panel. D-Link, right, 24 ports. Okay, see, here is the Cat 6. So this is the color code, so we should follow the color code. And then use the panzer for the strip. Oh, it's not cutting very well, so you should have to hold from the other side before you cut. Oh,
It's been wrong.
okay. Not. Yeah, I will hold. Okay. So cutting the. So you have to use this kind of puncher. What is the name of this puncher? Chrome type. This chrome type. Right. So it's almost done. Termination for this patch panel.
Now it's complete.
Hey. Okay, guys, please see the front. Right.